Hello, golf cart enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some of the most overrated golf cart accessories on the market. These are the items that sound exciting in theory and might even look good in those product ads, but once you've bought them, you might be left asking, was it really worth it? Some of these accessories may seem like must-haves initially, but as you'll see, they may not be as useful or practical as they're made out to be. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos and updates. At number 1, we have heated seat covers. Now, when you're imagining a chilly day, a heated seat cover might seem like the perfect solution to keep you warm and comfortable. But let's be honest here. How often are you really golfing or cruising around in freezing temperatures? For most people, golf is a warm weather sport, and many courses aren't even open during the coldest parts of the year. So while heated seat covers sound appealing, they're a luxury rather than a necessity, and they often end up underutilized. They're great if you're somewhere with year-round cold weather, but for most golfers, it's just not practical. Secondly, we have over-the-top custom lighting kits. Sure, there's a certain appeal to a well-lit golf cart with glowing underbody lights and flashy LEDs. Who doesn't like a bit of a wow factor? However, when you start adding multicolored LEDs, underbody lighting, and other flashy setups, it goes beyond function and enters the realm of pure show. For golf courses, where visibility and minimal distraction are key, these lighting kits don't add much besides a flashy distraction. Unless you're using your golf cart as a neighborhood cruiser, this accessory is more of a novelty than a necessity. At number 3, we have high-powered sound systems. While having tunes on the course sounds fun, many Bluetooth speakers like the ones designed for golf carts can be overpriced and unnecessary. The quality of the speakers often doesn't justify the price, and on quiet courses, it can irritate other golfers. Sure, it's nice to listen to music, but a portable speaker you already own can do the same job. Fourth on our list is golf cart heaters. Propane-powered heaters designed for golf carts seem like a great solution for winter golfers. However, these can be bulky, and the effectiveness may not justify the cost. You'll likely use it a handful of times a year, if at all, since most people just avoid golfing in extreme cold. At number 5, we have golf cart lift kits. Lift kits have become popular for giving golf carts a rugged off-road appearance. However, unless you're planning to take your cart off the golf course or into rough terrain, they serve little practical purpose. Drawbacks include compromised handling and stability on smooth golf paths, an increased risk of rollover accident, as well as a higher center of gravity, affecting cornering and braking. Our verdict is that if you aren't off-roading, there's really no point to this. At number 6, we have high-performance engines. Upgrading to high-performance engines, for example, 23 to 25 horsepower, is often unnecessary for standard golf cart usage. Unless you're driving in extremely hilly terrain or carrying heavy loads, added power may not be utilized. Also, standard engines usually provide sufficient speed and torque. It is also important to note that higher-powered engines often increase fuel consumption and maintenance costs. You're better off tuning up or maintaining your existing engine for optimal performance. At number 7, we have fancy wheels and tires. Oversized tires can affect handling and stability, while custom wheels may not provide significant performance benefits. Standard wheels and tires usually suffice for most golf cart usage. Eighth on our list are custom paint designs. Custom paint jobs can be expensive, anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000, and may not add significant resale value. They also may not withstand the elements as well as standard finishes. At number 9, we have GPS navigation systems. With smartphones and wearable devices already providing GPS functionality, installing a separate GPS system in your golf cart might be redundant. Unless you frequently play on unfamiliar courses, a dedicated GPS system might not be worth the investment. For our 10th and final pick, we have fancy cup holders. Upgrading your golf cart's cup holders might seem like a minor indulgence, but is it really needed? Many come with extra attachments or even insulation, but most golf carts already have functional cup holders. Plus, you can always bring an insulated tumbler from home. So, there you have it. 10 of the most overrated golf cart accessories. Before you splurge on any of these, think about how often you'll actually use them. Let me know in the comments if you agree or if you have an accessory that you think deserves a spot on this list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more golf cart insights. See you next time.